that's a real quick look at a 300, maybe 350 peso a night hostel here on Bohol Island in the Philippines. I'm in the Batuan area, I think. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I think that's the area I'm at. I have not been filming at all the last few weeks, just taking a couple little clips here and there. But yeah, it is a hot day out here. I'm about to go jump back on my scooter, go do some more exploring, maybe go back to another waterfall. That's what I did yesterday. My time here in the Philippines has been incredible. I just have not been filming. That seems to be the way it goes. Like when I start traveling and I get going more and more, I just don't really touch the camera. So we'll see. Maybe I'll start picking up a little bit more here and there. Just thought I'd give you a quick little update since I haven't touched the camera in a while. Show you this lovely little guest house. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna go jump on my bike, go do some exploring. Alright, I've been on the road for about 20 minutes, just headed out for my lovely hostel. Making a quick pit stop here because all this riding, my legs are getting toasted. That's why I'm wearing the long sleeve here, because it's a very hot sunny day today and I need to put some more sunscreen on my legs because they are getting fried. But it's been a great ride so far. It's been a bit rainy the last few days, so it's nice that today it seems I have clear skies for my whole ride back down to Panglao. I already spent a few days down there. I was down there for I think 4 days before I came up here a little bit further north, and now I'm heading back down that way for another 1, maybe 2, who knows, maybe 3 nights before I decide where I'm headed to next. Got the old Honda Beat, been putting in some work with this the last almost out of the week now, and let me tell you, this thing rips. She really gets the job done. But yeah, enough yapping. Gonna put the sunscreen on and then get back on the road and continue making my way down to Panglao. Morning from the Peaceland Hostel here in Panglao. There's the entrance to the hostel there right behind me. Got the trusty old Honda Beat right here. As you can see, I had looks like I had a little visitor last night on my bike here. It's super affordable here. It's 250 pesos a night, which is about $4.25 US, which is wonderful. About to head out and find a little cafe, coffee shop, jump on my computer, do some editing, because I have not been filming, I have not been editing, have not been doing any of that these last 3, maybe even 4 weeks. So gonna go try to get caught up on some of that. And yeah, that's about the only plan I have for today. So let's get the old bike started and hit the road. Alright, I'm still here at the coffee shop at the, what's it called? Cozy Club Lounge, I think is what it's called here. I'm working on editing, of course, and you know, as usual, I've not been particularly productive. I ended up chatting on the phone for a while, and then just watching YouTube and, you know, doing all the unproductive things. But finally getting a little bit of work done here. Well, not work, but editing. I had an iced hazelnut latte, which I took a video of, and then I had a delicious mushroom bacon burger, which I forgot to film, but I did take a photo of, so insert photo here or something. But it was delicious, definitely recommend. They have really good food here. It's kind of American food. They have burgers and like American style breakfast, so it's been nice to come here, kind of switch it up a little bit, and prices aren't too bad. I'll put up the prices, you know, as usual. But yeah, I think I'm gonna head out of here soon. It is about 2:30 now, so I've been here for a while, and I don't know, I might go get a haircut today because it's getting a bit long. Having a good time here, gonna get a little bit more done, and then jump back on my scooter and see what else we can find for the day. Alright, I just made a quick pit stop here back at the hostel, but now I'm gonna go try to find a barber because I like my hair the length it is, but honestly it annoys me how long it takes to dry once it gets to be this length. I just hate getting out of the shower, drying my hair, and then having to wait for it to dry. So I'm gonna go see if I can find a barber. If there's somewhere that's quick and convenient, I'm gonna get my hair cut. If not, I may just come back here, but let's go try to find a barber. See, just like that, got out of the shower like 3 minutes ago. My hair is basically dry and I am good to go, but I'll give you a little better look at it here. I don't know if you can see it well there, but let me see here. I think the barber did a fantastic job. Like I said, I don't ever know what to tell barbers because I don't really go to the barber. I just asked, hey, chop it all off, make it look decent. The other thing, when you think about it, getting a haircut's a great investment because I'm gonna cut down my shampoo usage by like 75%. So I'm just gonna be saving money left and right. So yeah, very happy I did this today. Great 100 peso investment. Just thought I'd give you a quick peek in the dorm here at Peaceland Hostel. Like I mentioned before, it's 250 pesos a night, which is crazy cheap. Very simple dorms, you know, got a couple of showers, a couple of bathrooms down the way, and then they do have a shared kitchen that you can use. So yeah, that's just a quick little look at Peaceland Hostel here in Panglao. Definitely recommend it. Super cheap, comfortable, everything you can need. Good morning, it's currently about 5:45 here on Panglao Island. About to jump on the scooter. I have a quick 10-minute scooter ride. I'm heading to Napaling Reef for a quick early morning snorkeling session. There's a reef out there with a sardine run, lots of cool fish to see. I haven't done that yet while I've been here on the island, and I think I'm leaving the island today, so this is gonna be my last little activity before leaving the island. But I need to get there early, beat all the crowds, so heading out from Peaceland, jumping on the bike, and then gonna be at the reef in just a few minutes. All right, made it out here. The sardine run is just right out here, just right off the shore. So about to jump in and take a look. All right, I'm super happy that I came at this time because there's very few people here. I'm out here at this crack in the reef. This is the Napaling Reef. I think this is called the Napaling Crack. I'm not entirely sure, but I've been swimming down through it. I'm about to swim down through it again, try to get a cool shot going down through it. So yeah, let's see what we can get. right, I just finished up a great little swim here at Napaling Reef. Spent about an hour swimming around, looking at the sardines, going down the crack and everything, and that was very, very cool. Definitely a worthwhile experience. There's a 200 peso entrance fee, and it costs another 100 for a guide, which is mandatory. But it's definitely worth checking out if you're here on Panglao Island. That was very cool, but definitely get here right at 6 a.m. The first like 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes will be pretty empty, and then the crowd starts to roll in. So definitely get here as early as possible. It opens right at 6 a.m., so show up right at 6 a.m. and you'll be good to go.